I understand that we're going to waive on your case.
That is correct. And so, and I've already spoken to my client. He's ready to go. I don't know that we need to speak to the prosecutor for any reason. If they would like to talk to us, that's fine. But yep, we're prepared to waive. And if the waiver can be done on the record, that would be great.
Yep. Hold on a second.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Granzier, on People versus Ryan Mendes, my understanding is that this is a waiver.
That is correct, Your Honor. Yes. I have spoken with my client in regard to his right to hold the preliminary exam. He understands that he has that right, and he would have the right to cross-examine witnesses, present his own witnesses, and that the prosecutor would need to show by probable cause that a crime was committed. He committed it. He is waiving that exam. He understands that that would be sent downtown to Frank Murphy for trial purposes.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Mendes?
Yes, it is, ma'am.
And like your attorney explained, you understand that you're waiving your right to have testimony taken whereby the prosecution would have to prove probable cause that a crime was committed and probable cause to believe that you were involved in the commission of that crime.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that you're waiving that right by agreeing by Zoom to this bind over.
Yes, Your Honor.
The defendant and his attorney having consented by Zoom, I'll bind the defendant over. The arraignment on the information will take place 1 week from today on December the 21st at 9 a.m. And I'll continue the bond. Mr. Kowinski, are you trying to say something to us? Because you're muted. Apparently you're not. Are you trying to talk to us?
No, I was actually, my co-counsel just came in.
Okay, you were very animated and I was just making sure that it didn't involve us. All right,
no,
you're all set,
guys.
Mr. Mendes. No worries. Mr. Mendes, your attorney will be in contact with you, okay?
Hey, thank you very much.
Yep, have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Okay, Mr. Keats, sorry. You were stuck in a waiting room for the MIDC attorney, but I informed her you have a felony with it. Have you talked to your attorney?
No, I have not.
So you don't know who is assigned to your case?
No, I do not.
Okay, yeah, they never told us. Okay.
I haven't told anybody about it since I've been.
No, that's fine. Just hang tight here. We're waiting to see who you have, okay?
Okay.
Michelle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm going to be handling both of them, but I think the misdemeanor will need to just be set out to one of our Tuesday dates, and then the other one, the felony just depends on who I guess it'll be assigned to through NDS.
Okay.
What file has to go to a Tuesday date?
David Keats. He has two cases. One is a misdemeanor and one is a felony.
Got it.
DV related.
special prosecutor.
Yes, it's so.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Good morning, Miss Upsword.
Hi, good morning.
Your client, Mr. Middleton, is here with us from the Huron County Jail. Do you need
Yeah,
to speak with him?
yes, please.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh,
One morning.
Hi, Gwen. Good morning.
oh, I'm sorry. Good morning. I'm getting
No,
out.
you're good. You're good. I'm gonna put him in with Marianne
Okay,
or in her waiting room.
all right.
I got chew in my mouth. Should I spit it out or?
Mr. Smith is downstairs.
Dave Keats.
Hey.
Good morning, Mr. Cohen.
Good morning.
Which cases are you here for today?
I'm just here as co-counsel with Ms. Epps Ward on Zachary Middleton, and wondering if I could pop into their breakout room, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have access to tell us who is assigned to cases for NDS?
Yeah, I can look in our defender.
It's a huge problem. They won't tell us anymore. I have multiple cases. I don't know who is assigned.
Oh, well, I can look that up. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. I have a Keats, Keatts, first of David.
So Keatts, David.
Yes.
Okay, let me see. That appears to be Vanessa Hamilton. Yep.
Okay. And then how about Michael Smith?
Sure, Michael. Middle of Philip.
Yeah, it's not correct, but yeah.
Okay. 10/23/74 date of birth.
Correct. He's got an alias. It's a confusion with the county.
Okay,
I think
got
there's
it.
two middle names.
That appears also to be Ms. Hamilton, Vanessa.
Perfect. And then I think I got an answer on the other ones from somebody else.
Okay, great.
Oh, I have one more. Sorry. Stokes. Stokes. Juante is the first name.
Jeant. Let's see. Oh, Duante Stokes. Okay.
Yes.
Got it. Also Ms. Hamilton. You got the trifecta.
Yeah, it's just if we can get her. Oh, there she is. Look at that. Perfect. Thank you so much. And I need to put you in with Miss Epsford. Oh, wait, she's back here.
She just
Yeah.
broke out.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I have 3 other matters at Frank Murphy that I need to log on for. So Jonathan is going to take over for Mr. Middleton.
Okay. So
you.
I need to throw you in there.
Thanks.
Hold on. Is he still in there? Okay, he is.
Yeah, he still is. Yep. Thank
I
you.
see him. I see
Okay.
him. Good morning, Miss Hamilton.
Good morning.
I have multiple people for you to talk to this morning.
Yeah.
First one I think is Mr. Keats.
Yes.
Okay, do you need a breakout room with him?
Yes, please.
Okay. And then Mr. Keats also has a domestic. It's a separate case, just so you know.
Okay. Is it a felony case or is it?
No. It's a misdemeanor. I just
Okay.
want to make you aware.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Sure. Hold on. Good morning. Is it Mr. Finn?
Yes, it is.
Good morning. Which case are you here on?
I have David M. White, David Michael
Gotcha.
White.
I see him. He's here.
Yeah.
What
And,
do you need to talk to him or?
no, I don't think so. I'd just like to get this taken care of as quickly as possible because I do have a matter in probate that's going to be going in about 15 minutes.
Well, I don't know what that means. What do you want to do on it? Are you waiving or are
No,
you setting?
no, it is a expungement. And
Okay, hold on a second.
okay.
Just coming. Good morning, Mr. Finn, on People versus David White. I have your proof of service on the motion to set aside. Prosecution Mr. Kowinski, have any comments on this? You were notified. You're muted, Mr. Kowinski.
Okay, sorry about that. I apologize. David Finn is, I'm not sure.
You don't have, trust me, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm not sure also what the status with that case is, to be honest with you.
Well, it was set for today and I have all the paperwork and it looks like Mr. White is eligible and his 5 years have passed.
Oh, yeah, no.
Meets all of the
that's fair.
qualification. He hasn't had any other application to set aside. And he
Okay.
hasn't had any convictions deferred or dismissed.
Yeah, we're fine with that one.
I don't know why, Mr. Finn, that I don't see. I usually have a signature for me and I don't.
I was wondering about that. I was looking at
I did, you gotta get me something that I can sign. I'll grant it, but the other ones that I have had a signature line. I'm not quite sure why
Okay.
this one doesn't, that you
I'm
submitted,
not,
but
I'm not sure either. I was looking at that and I was looking for an order to set
well,
aside the
find
conviction.
one and I'll sign it. In the meantime, I'll grant your motion, but I don't have anything that I've got to sign, so get us something,
I will
okay?
get you something. If you
Perfect.
could bring Mr. Is that Mr. White?
Yeah,
Because it
Mr.
says
White,
Michael
you heard
Smith.
that, right?
It says Michael Smith.
No. There's other people. Mr. White's on. Mr. White, you're muted.
Yes, I've heard that.
Okay, so your
Okay.
attorney's just got to get me the order and then I'll sign it. All
Okay,
right, you're all set for today. Thanks, Mr. Finn. Have a good day. Do we have anything
Thank you.
else ready right now?
I will get that as soon as possible.
Yeah, perfect. All right, thanks.
Vanessa, what are we doing on?
Just
Keats?
say we're ready at Keats. I don't have discovery, at least as of last night, but if prosecutor thinks they can get it to us before a preliminary exam date, we'd like
Peter?
to set that.
No,
We actually,
no, this is mine.
Oh, you're right. I'm sorry, Sona. I knew it was you.
Actually, I sent discovery over to the general NDS discovery link yesterday. You should be getting it, I guess, as soon as they send it to you, because everything is collected and ready to go.
Okay, excellent. So yeah, we just like to set the preliminary exam date, and I'll follow up with you if for some reason it doesn't.
Okay, give me 1 second. I need to judge.
And Vanessa, I know that Michelle mentioned it, so he does have a misdemeanor case today as well with the same complainant. And I know you guys don't handle misdemeanor cases, but I'm sure they're gonna somewhat impact one another, just so you know moving forward that that's also gonna be set for another day for our like misdemeanor docket day.
Okay, would it be possible? I mean, I don't mind handling both of them. Would it be possible to have that kind of on the same date as the preliminary exam and keep the two matters together, or?
Yes, I don't see why not. I guess let's ask the judge, but if you're able to handle it, then that's totally fine with me. For that, I have not sent discovery because I wasn't sure who would be assigned to it yet.
Okay.
Yeah. So I can get that to you if you end up remaining on it.
Yeah, if you'd like said to be, it probably make most sense for me to do both of them. So.
Okay.
So we're keeping them together for now?
Yeah, I think that's
Okay.
especially even if at exam, yeah.
Yeah, I'll see what I need to do about probably submitting an appearance for that.
Hey, Josh, I have somebody that's been waiting.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hold on, let me see. Is
Jeffrey Dale.
Jeffrey Dale Fletcher, did the judge make you a co-host chat?
Yeah, I'm the host.
Okay, jump in there.
What will do?
Thanks. And then I have, let's see, Sona, did you see you have Nina Davis in your waiting room? Are you a co-host, Sona? No, I gotta do that.
am. I think,
Are you? No, you're not. Hold on.
I don't have it.
She took host from me. Hold on.
Also, Peter, I sent you a message.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Peter, I sent you a message.
Okay, I'm gonna check it out right now.
And then Vanessa, your next one, after we get the date from the judge, you'll talk to Michael Smith.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Welcome.
Michelle, you mentioned in my waiting room, but I don't have any victims here today, so I'm not sure if that's my case.
Yeah, it says victim on Peg's case, but
Oh, Pegs is not mine. That's why Pegs, it's a misdemeanor.
Oh, it is. You're right.
It's a misdemeanor DB. I believe it's his grandmother.
I should put him in the wrong place.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. So I need, Peter, you need to jump in there and talk to that victim. It's in Sona's waiting room. Do you see that?
I'm sorry, who's the name of the victim?
Look at the waiting room. You can see it. Nina Davis, victim in the Pegs case. See it in Sona's waiting room? Look at the breakout rooms.
Okay.
Go to the bottom, look at breakout rooms.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it on my screen. Do you see breakout rooms on my screen?
Go to the very bottom. See where in the bottom it says security, participants, chat, share screen.
Yes, I do.
See breakout rooms?
Yeah, it's not showing up on mine. That's a weird thing.
All right, I'm just gonna put you in there.
Breakout rooms, I found it, yeah.
Okay, jump in with and talk to that victim, okay?
Okay, you said her name is Nina Davis, correct?
Yep, you're gonna see it. It's listed.
Okay, move to, okay.
Madam Clerk, can we come in on the Walker case? That's gonna be a dismissal.
I don't have a Walker case yet.
Oh.
I don't have anybody here on Walker.
The defense attorney is here too. Everybody's here for that.
Good morning, Miss. Is it Zas Gorman?
Which waiting room?
Look at Sona. It says APA Asmosifsian waiting room. Join that.
Okay. Got it.
Good morning, Mr. Sullivan.
Good morning.
You here on Mary Kintz?
That's correct, yes.
Where'd she go? I see her. Do you need to talk to her?
No, we've spoken. We're gonna request a preliminary exam date today.
Do you have all your discovery?
Yes.
Okay, hold on a second.
People versus David Keats.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sonam of CCN on behalf of the people, P83923.
Your Honor, Vanessa Hamilton, P82107, on behalf of Mr. Keats, who joins us via Zoom. Could you say your name, Mr. Keats?
David Keats.
I have a misdemeanor file that my understanding is we're gonna give a date on the domestic docket. Michelle, what's the? Oh, they want to keep them together now? Okay.
Yes.
Ms. Mosisian, okay. Because I heard you say that you wanted to separate them, and I was gonna ask you why, but we'll do that.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
wasn't aware that the NDS can remain on that one, so that's fine. That makes sense to keep them together.
I can either do it. I can either do it next Wednesday at 11 o'clock. If everybody's available.
I don't believe that's going to work for me.
You have all your discovery, right, Ms. Hamilton?
Yeah, or it's been sent, so.
No, it's been sent does not work. Do you have it?
I do not have it. I understand that. For
Okay,
what
so
it-
then the theory is, I want to make sure we're on the record that you waive the right to object if I set an exam and you don't have it.
Yes.
Okay. That we're going forward whether you have it or not.
Yes.
Okay. So next week doesn't work?
No, I won't be able to do next week, at least not that Wednesday, which I think you guys only do Wednesdays, am I right?
Now, if I have mixed Mosisian, I can do any day, but I don't know how available she is.
Yeah, next week will be a little bit difficult, especially I was actually free on the Wednesday, but if not, then I don't think I'm going to be able to do any other.
That's fine. Then it's got to be January 25th at 11:15.
That's for the people.
Is that good for you, Ms. Hamilton? Did you, Ms. Hamilton, is that good? Is that date good?
Yes, that works for me.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I didn't hear you. January
No,
the 25th. Mr. Keats, do you understand you'll be live in my courtroom on January the 25th at 11:15?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, what
All
time
right.
are you at 11:15?
What time is 11:15? Is that what you just
So I
said?
said what time, and then I was like, you just said 11:15, so never mind.
And I'm putting both of the files on that day.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else, Ms. Hamilton, that you have?
Oh yeah, I'm here all day long.
Oh, happy days. Okay.
But I do need to, I think I'm talking to Mr. Smith. I was going to say just about that case, I don't know, for Michelle, but there's a three cases that he has. One of them I think is set for the 20th for a PCC. I was wondering if we might be able to do all three.
Who's it set for on the 20th?
I think it's the 20th or 21st.
I did see that, but is that at our court?
It's not with us. I don't have anything. I don't have this set on the 21st.
1 second, let me double check. I believe it's with you guys.
It could be with Judge Martin.
That might be the case.
Let Michelle check, and if it is, I'll run up the hall and ask her if we can add this to that. If Mr. Kowinski, is it like same circumstance?
So I'm gonna go on.
This one is, seems to be, I don't have the discovery, so I don't know the details, but they're all, you know, theft or larceny charges, so I feel like they might be related. And they also.
Mr. Kowinski, do you know?
Can
I speak with you in a breakout
to be
room?
honest, no,
You muted yourself. Mr. Kowinski, you muted yourself.
okay, sorry. Sorry, what case is this again? I was actually in the breakout room with the victim when this
Oh,
happened.
that's okay. On Michael Smith, when did you say it was, Ms. Hamilton? What on the? You're muted too now. People keep muting yourself. That's okay. Killing me.
Apologies. So it looks like it's the 21st, I believe.
Right, but do you see who is it in front of? It's either not in this court, it's not in front of me. Michelle, you don't see it at all?
It's a 2020. Hold on, I can look it up instead of just.
Yeah, do you have a case number?
Yes. So it is case number 2072748.
727-486 is too many numbers.
Okay, that might be the.
Our number would be 20 and 4 numbers. It might be circuit court. Michelle, do you know?
Yeah, I saw that in Sheriff Connect, the inmate part, that he had one on the 20th, but it's not here. I've looked, both of these cases on our docket today are both set for today. There's nothing further from today.
We only have one case set for today.
Do you,
Oh, no.
Mr. Smith, do you know?
Yes, I do know. It's
Where's
for
yours?
Oh, that would be
at?
nice.
It's for
where's-
Flat Rock.
Thank you. That's what I thought. I'm like, I
Welcome.
know, I swore it was for a different venue. All right, so let's
Okay.
start over.
Can I tell you something? I only have one file. What do you mean 2 files?
There should be 2 files. I wrote on both of them.
No,
210261.
I have the
20,
210261. Nope. I don't have the other one. Oh, well, no, you know what it is? It's the other one, you know, wait a second. Got it. Okay, I pulled it with my exams for this afternoon because Bennett Smith is this afternoon and I pulled that one for exams instead. All right, now I'm on the same page. I got them both. So okay, so now the question is, it's not set, so I can't do that. Are you, do you need the discovery still on these or what's the deal?
Yes, I need discovery for all of these cases. I don't have anything.
Okay, so then we're gonna adjourn it, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, what do you want?
We could adjourn it. I obviously can't do next Wednesday.
Yeah,
so
2
whatever.
weeks?
Sure.
Michelle, give me the date, 2 weeks out.
December 28th at, I can do 8:45 or 9:15. What's best for you?
Let's do 8:45.
And that's in front of Judge Martin.
Okay.
Do you understand, Mr. Smith?
Yes, Your Honor. I understand. I have had these cases while I've been incarcerated for 2 years trying to deal with them.
Well, as soon as your attorney's ready, we can take care of them.
Right.
Vanessa, do you need to talk to him this morning or not?
If I could talk to him for just a moment,
Yep.
that'd be great.
Yep, I'll put you in real quick.
Sonia, can I get a breakout room?
Do I go down to the breakout room?
Oh, yeah,
Sorry.
I'm gonna move you. Hold on a second.
People versus Mary Keats. Mr. Sullivan, did we lose you?
I'm here. I was just waiting for if the prosecutor was gonna put himself on the record first.
He's not. Go ahead. He's not. Mr. Sullivan, are you asking
Yes.
for an exam date?
Requesting an exam. date.
Your Honor, I'm the prosecutor on the Keane's case. I don't know if you see me or hear me right now.
I can see you and hear you.
Okay, yeah. I don't know if you were even talking about me, first of all.
No, it was fine. I was calling it and I knew he wanted to set an exam, so it was academic whether you put your appearance on the record. I wasn't worried about it. Where is Ms. Keanes? Is she on here?
She was on.
I see you. Yep, I got you at
Right
the
here,
top
Your Honor.
screen.
Okay.
Do you have all
got the
your
discovery.
discovery, Mr. Sullivan?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
I can do it. Mr. Kowinski, is it possible to do it next Wednesday at 11?
Yeah, next Wednesday at 11. Yeah,
And Mr. Sullivan, if
fine.
that, if
We'll send
that date
subpoenas.
is, if that time and date is good for you,
I already have an exam scheduled at 10 o'clock in 36th District. I could do, if the afternoon is available.
the
I could do-
afternoon is not available.
Oh, my
If it's
apologies.
not at 11, 11:15 or 11:30 next week, then it'll have to be January 25th.
Yeah, I think we'll have to, just on the safe side, I'd hate to keep the court
That's
waiting.
fine. Then it's January 25th at 11:30.
Very good. Thank you,
January
Judge.
25th at 11:30. Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Ms. Keanes, you can log off as well. You all have a good day.
You too.
Okay, is it Zas Gorman? I don't see your
25th,
client
okay.
here yet.
Yes, it's actually my client is sitting here to my left in my.
Oh,
office.
you have him there. Okay.
Yes,
Do
I
you need to talk to the prosecutor?
Actually, I just recently filed an appearance and a request for discovery, so if we could simply.
Yeah, they
adjourn the-
did put it up to evidence.com or something. Isn't that what you do, Mr. Kwinsky? Do you need another
Yes.
date?
Yes. the
Okay,
January
I need to hold
22nd.
on a second.
Oh, go ahead.
I need to move you into a room though, because I need to confirm his information.
Your Honor, what case is this?
Who's talking?
It's Mr. Kowinski.
It's Mullen.
Oh, Mullen. Okay, thank you.
Just hold on a second. All right, who else? Vanessa, are you back?
Yes.
I need you to talk to, who do you need to talk to next?
Palumbo, maybe?
Sure. Okay. Can you, you're on your phone, can you rejoin where you were or not?
Yeah, I believe I can.
Okay, go in there and I'll put him in there.
Sure, thank you.
Josh, are you ready on yours?
No, I was never able to get I messaged you. I was never able to get a hold of him.
You messaged me. What do you mean not get a hold of him? He was in your waiting room.
His audio never worked. It's still not.
He's gone now.
And then I'm just waiting on an offer on the other case that's in my waiting room right now.
Did you, okay.
On Walker, did you need to talk to the prosecutor? I see that your client is with you.
Okay.
On Walker, that's gonna be a dismissal, Judge.
Oh, it
Unless I have
is,
the-
Mr. Kowinski, is that correct?
Oh, wait,
Your Honor,
we
the
have
people are unable to proceed in this case. The complainant is present and wishes not to proceed, so no objection to a dismissal.
All right, motion to dismiss granted. You're all set, Mr. Belsky. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Cohen, I think I skipped over you again. Are
No
you
problem.
ready on yours?
Yeah, we're ready on Zachary Middleton. He's zoomed in from the Huron County Jail, I believe.
Yeah. Did he come back? I don't see him back here.
Yeah, I don't know if he has access to the.
No, let me see if I can move him back.
Okay.
I'm trying.
Okay,
I don't want to close my rooms.
for this one.
What are we doing on it?
I'm going to request an adjournment. We have a pending motion for discovery. I don't know if Judge Green has that in front of her. It was emailed to.
I gave it to her this morning.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Yeah.
It's to preserve discovery.
And to produce. Yeah, we just have.
You did, but did you
digital.
ask, did you talk to the prosecutor about getting discovery?
I don't know. Actually, I wasn't here at the last PCC.
Someone
so.
has to tell them that you need it, like Mr.
It's all
Kowinski.
uploaded to
Your Honor, let me just,
evidence.com, so.
Let me just
Mr.
jump in for a second, if I may. Yeah, we sent the paper discovery on this case, and as far as the digital discoveries, we're waiting for it. We're trying to acquire it, so that's pretty much where we stand today.
All right, well, I'm gonna leave the motion pending. Do you want an adjournment 1, 2, or 3 weeks, counsel?
If I can just check my calendar here, probably 3 weeks, if that's okay with the court.
And you should have everything by then, so.
I would assume so.
3 weeks out will end up being January I gotta look at a calendar, I don't even know.
The 4th.
The 4th in front of Judge Martin. At
We
what
can
time,
do
Michelle?
8:45.
At 8:45, does that work for you, counsel?
It does, yes, thank you.
All right, January the 4th at 8:45, Michelle?
Correct.
At 8:45.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, you're all set. Mr. Middleton, you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Middleton.
Mr. Kowinski, I just messaged you asking if you could send, if you're the prosecutor on Audria Miliowskis, if you could just send me what the offer would be on that.
Sure, let me double check that one, though. I don't have it in front of me. Can you say the name one more time?
Josh, can you move him into a breakout room and talk to him?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Mr. Showman,
Yes, I'm here.
good morning. What are we doing in your case?
May I have a few minutes to speak to the prosecutor in the breakout room?
Yeah, he's going in with Josh right now, but I can stick you in there with them.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Sure, I think. Did you already move him, Josh?
No, I haven't moved him. I'm trying to look for him. I wasn't saving him on here.
He's under Mosesian's waiting room. Did you
Oh,
ever
okay.
talk to that victim?
I did, Your Honor, but we're
No, it's fine. It's
trying to
fine.
find the defense counsel for that because the victim does want to proceed with the case. So,
Okay, that's fine. Go talk to Josh.
okay. Suppose I'm looking for it. Joshua Cap.
All right, Miss Zaskorman, let's get you a new date.
Thank you.
And Mr. Mullen, I can do 1, 2, 3 weeks. So the 21st of December, the 28th, or January 4th.
The later the better. I'm actually.
Okay, I can do January 4th.
Is that the latest that you have available?
It is.
I will be in Florida on January 4th with my family.
Okay, let me think.
so
Okay, hold on a second. I gotta
probably-
find a docket.
Okay.
Hold on. When are you returning?
It's 2 weeks, so let me look at my calendar here. I'll give you. So I'll be back the week of the 16th.
Okay, so I have the 18th.
The 18th is fine.
And that's in front of Judge Oakley. And that'll be live though here at the court.
Okay.
Is that for Mullen?
It is.
Okay, I just wrote it down January 18th, so. Is that for an exam or a PCC?
No, PCC.
Okay,
And what time do you have?
So
for that?
I can do any time that morning, anytime from 8:45 on.
9:30?
Sure.
That work? Okay.
Yep. So let me find you. So January 18th at 9:30, and that's live here at the court in front of Judge Oakley, and I'll send out notice.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a good
January
holiday.
18th,
Thank you.
9:30, perfect.
Thank you.
Michelle,
PCC, yes.
Yeah, I see you, Royce. Hold on a second. I got multiple people that need me. Mr.
Okay.
Shulman, sorry, you need to speak with the prosecutor, don't you?
Yes, please.
Let me put you in with,
And Your Honor, after this
no,
is,
Michelle.
oh, well, I
What-
want to ask you something real quick, Your Honor. Is it possible for me to maybe at some point speak with prosecutor Sona?
You can in a
message.
minute, but you have
I'll
cases that you have
do
to
it.
deal with.
I'll do it.
Are you moving him,
Yeah.
Sona?
I got it.
Quickly, because he has a lot of people he needs to talk to.
Yes.
Your Honor, and Michelle, we were already on Miliowskis. It's gonna be a civil infraction, so I don't know if I don't think we need Officer Quinn or.
Yeah, give me a second. We don't need him.
Yeah.
Peter, you need to join my meeting room, okay?
Yep, I'm doing that right now. Hold on, I got the wrong one. There it is.
Mr. Kaplan, what file are you ready on?
We are ready on Audria Miliowskis. Name I will never get fully correct, I'm sure.
People versus Audria Miliowskis.
Your Honor, date and time for arraignment pretrial. For purposes of arraignment, we waive form reading stand mute to the charge. We have worked out a resolution with the prosecutor or with the people where we plead to impeding traffic with the dismissal of the original violation for fuel tax violation.
Did you have a stipulated fine amount?
I thought it was 180 from the court, so I thought that would be the stipulated fine amount.
Yeah, I don't know that that's what the fuel tax violation is. But that's fine. I'll do it as 180. Can you pay that within 7 days, Mr. Miliowskis?
Yes, I can.
All right, pay that within 7 days. You're all set.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Parker, what can I do for you?
Good morning.
Good
I
morning.
have James Lau. Do we have anybody in the waiting room?
I don't have Mr. Lyle, but I'll check because I have a couple of people in there.
Peter, I'm gonna move you back in there. He was wanting to speak with you, okay?
Sure.
Well, and we're sending somebody to help Mr. Kowinski with his Zoom inabilities this morning. So we got somebody that's on their way that's gonna help you.
Thank
So
you.
you should be able to be an expert by the end of the morning.
Perfect. I'm just learning to juggle all the Zoom meetings at once, so.
Yeah, that's okay.
I think
Peter,
I'd be used to it by now.
I think all you have to do is just go back and join that meeting room you were just in, okay?
Yeah, I think that's where I'm at, so. Oh. Got room. So, okay.
Good morning, Deputy Middlestat. What can I do for you?
I have a Mr. Miracle,
What time is it set at?
9:45.
Oh, okay. Hang tight. I haven't seen him.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Parker.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Because I'm on James Lyle, I just want to make sure you received everything from last time.
I know I got the paper discovery. Did you send digital?
Yes, I sent everything and then I sent you an email confirming it.
Okay.
Vanessa, did you talk to Mr. Palumbo?
Yes,
What are
I
we
just
doing?
I don't have discovery on this one yet, and this is
Okay.
the second PCC, so I guess I want to see if that's even something that they have.
All right, I
I'm
gotta
not sure
get
if
him
it's
back. No, I
still
get
in
it.
here.
Let me get him back here and we'll figure it out. Okay, Royce, I'm sorry.
Has anybody seen Shamir Peggs? He was scheduled at 9:10
Have
a.m.
not seen him yet.
All right, I haven't been able to get a hold of him, so if he shows up, would you give me a call and I'd
I
sign him?
will. I will. I will.
Already passed now. Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
That was Toma, right?
Yes, we're ready. And Toma. We're
Okay.
requesting-
Mr. Schuman, are we ready on your case?
Yes, we're requesting to adjourn the PCC. for
Okay,
discovery
no
until
problem.
January
Yep.
4th.
That's no problem. Hold on.
Thank you.
Okay, hi. I was just talking about this.
Toma. Okay, January 4th.
Please.
Is that what you said? Okay.
Yes, please.
In front of Judge Martin. That'll be by Zoom again, 9:15. Is that good?
And 15 works.
Perfect. And I will send out new notice to you.
My client and I all set for this morning?
You are all set. Thank you very much.
Very good.
So what's the date again?
January 4th at
January 4th.
9:15.
Oh, perfect. We got that down.
That's
Thank you.
just for an adjourned PCC.
Oh, yep. Perfect.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Kowinski, Vanessa needs to know if you have discovery on Palumbo.
Give me 1 second. I can even go in the. Actually, I was just told right now it's set to the NDS email, so she should have it.
Okay. Vanessa, did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that. I haven't received it, at least as of yesterday. I don't know if
It was
that's
sent
something to be-
yesterday.
We can adjourn the
Okay.
PCC and then we'll deal with it. You can see if you get it, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
How about next week? I know it's not good for you. 12/28 or 1/4?
I can do the 28th if it's in the morning.
Yeah, I can do 8:45. Is that good for you?
Yeah,
That'd
that
be
works.
Zoom Judge Martin. And I'll email it to you.
Okay, thank
And I'll
you.
mail it to your client. So, okay.
That should work.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Palumbo. You're all set. Do you have another one, Vanessa?
Yeah, I've got one more PCC. It's Juante Stokes or Juante Stokes.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Wow. January 4th, right? 8:45.
I haven't seen anybody on that yet.
Okay, yeah, let me I'll go ahead and give him a call real quick. And I've got another hearing, but I'll pop back on.
Mr.
All right.
Fletcher, do you have
I'm on mute
audio
for
now?
Okay.
I do. Mr. Fletcher, okay, I'm going to put you in for the attorney, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Palumbo, you have your new date. You're good to go.
Okay, I'm all set then?
Yep,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome.
Michelle,
Yes.
could I, what I want to do on this particular case is set an exam.
Without your
But-
client, we can't find your client.
Okay, so judge won't do that without my client?
Have you
I
had
need-
contact with your client, Mr. Parker?
I haven't had contact with them lately.
And no, I'm not saying, you want me to set an exam and bring everybody in when you can't? No, I'm not doing that. Yeah,
Well,
nice
I have an investigator, I was gonna take care of all that, but,
then you can have an investigator that finds him and has him show up before a bench warrant's issued for him.
okay then.
That's the
Listen-
process.
Okay then, we'll do it that way. I just wondered, underneath
Yeah, no,
this.
I know, you can't blame you for trying.
Well, we're being flexible now.
Oh,
considering-
that's what it is, we're being flexible. He wasn't set until 9:30, so I'll give him a few, you know, whatever you want to do. If you want to hang out, or Michelle can contact you if he shows up. But we'll hold the file for 48 hours. If you get an investigator, he can come over, or you can call in and we can get him a new date, okay?
That sounds good. Michelle, I gotta go down to circuit court. Can I just check back with you in about an hour?
Yeah, she's in a breakout room, but yeah, that's fine.
Mr.
Thank you.
Clifford, can you I just sent you a message. I just want you to confirm. I did see that you did download the discovery. Please check and make sure you have it. If not, I will just resend you the link.
Very good. Thank you. I'm quite sure I have it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Now I think about it.
Okay.
Thank you.
And Judge, I'm going to head out soon to come for my 11 o'clock exam. But if Mr. Lyles shows up, I will be there to handle that. Okay.
No worries.
Thank you.
Any other issues I'm having that I can help with?
No, it's
No, we're good.
it's just something that kind of threw me off a little bit, though. That's all.
Being the co-host, it's
Yeah.
not something normal. We started it here because our
Right.
But
Yeah,
I'm glad you guys are around, so
So
I appreciate your help.
Oh, yes.
thank you.
I'm going to mute you, Mr. Kowinski.
We're ready on Marcel Green whenever you guys are ready.
People versus Marcel Green.
Your Honor, Joshua Kaplan on behalf of Mr. Green. I did have one question. The stop sign is in review. I believe we have a resolution for both the unregistered vehicle and stop sign if the court is willing to accept that.
He owes the money. We're not willing to accept it.
Okay, so we're just doing the unregistered vehicle. Okay. So on the unregistered vehicle, Your Honor, the offer from the people is plea to impeding traffic. My client does wish to accept.
That's a $200 ticket. Can you pay that within 7 days or go online and make a payment plan?
Yeah, can I do that? Because I'm in the middle of moving into an apartment.
Yep, within 7 days, go online to make a payment plan.
Okay.
All right, you're all set.
Okay. Is you what's the website and all that I need to go on?
The
So I can,
34th District Court in Romulus, so it's 30, if you put in Google 34th District Court will come up and then you click on the website. Okay,
okay, thank you.
okay, you're welcome, bye.
Bye-bye. So do I just leave?
Yeah, you're all set.
Oh, okay. So wait, I just want to know, so I just go in there and what do I look up? I don't, I'm not familiar with this, so.
Here,
To schedule.
I'm gonna bring you in my breakout room and I'll go over it with you, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Peter, I'm gonna put you in my breakout room again, another case, if that's okay.
Oh, sure.
I'm here.
So what did we do with the Michael Smith cases?
Um,
We had 2 cases.
It's all good. I got it.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm hanging in there.
Are you waiting for an attorney too?
I am waiting for the judge.
Okay.
Deputy Middlestat,
Hello?
the Deputy Middlestat. The defendant's here, so it'll be a couple minutes. They're just getting his contact information.
Thank you.
Mr. Kaplan, are you ready on anything?
Yes, we're ready on Kristen DeLasso. You know what, let me speak to the prosecutor on that before you call the case. I
That's fine.
apologize. And then Jeffrey Fletcher, I've not been able to speak with him. His audio hasn't worked since I got on. So
Mr. Fletcher, your audio's not working?
It should be
Yeah, it is
now.
working.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, it
finally.
is. All right, he's
Just had to
gonna
bring it to
talk
me
to
attention.
you.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
You still there?
Yeah, Mr. Fletcher, I'm bringing you into a meeting room. I'll talk to you in a second.
Okay.
Hello?
Mr. Miracle, you need to join the breakout room that I put you in. I'm trying to put you, there's an invite to go to the breakout room. Go. Josh, Josh.
And Mr. Fletcher's audio stopped working again, Michelle, so I wasn't able to speak with him. But I'm gonna see, I got a few cases I want to talk to APA.
What are we doing on Miss Del Sasso's?
I want to talk, I haven't been able to speak to Peter yet, so I'm gonna talk to him and I'll put it on the
Did you
record.
talk to Mr. Miracle?
I spoke with Mr. Miracle. I got a few. I just want to get, I need to get straight out.
Okay, can you move him?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Thank you.
All the traffic stuff is done?
I don't know. That was all traffic right there.
Myself happened. Video muted. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Mr.
Not hearing
Miracle,
anything.
just mute
Oh,
yourself and hang out.
there we go. Hello?
Mr. Miracle, just mute yourself and somebody will be with you in a minute.
All right.
Okay, Michelle, we are ready on a bunch of cases, starting with Kristen Del Sasso.
All right, Michelle's busy doing something else, but.
I'm sorry, what do we want to do?
I got it, Michelle.
Oh.
People versus Kristen Del Sasso.
Your Honor, Joshua Kaplan, I am just substituting in right now for Mr. Joshua Hadley, who's the attorney of record. He is requesting an adjournment on this matter so that they may get a new court date. And he's asking for full discovery on this at this time.
1, 2, 3 weeks. What do you want?
It's his, so why don't we do 3 weeks?
January the 4th. Michelle, what time?
At 9:30 in front of Judge Martin.
Next, Mr. Kaplan.
The next one would be Michael McNeil.
People versus Michael McNeil.
Your Honor, Joshua Kaplan on behalf of Mr. McNeil. Mr. McNeil, will you state your name for the record?
You're muted.
Mr. McNeil, can you state your name for the record?
Michael McNeil.
Your Honor, Mr. McNeil, he is here for registration violation, no medical certificate. Per our agreement with the prosecutors, he does have it. Mr. McNeil, could you just show up for the screen for Judge Green for the prosecutor?
That's fine. If the prosecutor's satisfied,
Yeah, then and I did review them both. At this time, the people are going to dismiss that case.
It's dismissed. You're all set, Mr. McNeil.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Next, Mr. Kaplan.
Next would be Tadario Harvey.
People versus Tadario Harvey.
Joshua Kaplan on behalf of Mr. Harvey. Mr. Harvey, will you state your name for the record?
For the record, it's pronounced Tadario Harvey.
Apologize.
My apologies.
That's fine.
Your Honor, today's day and time set for arraignment pretrial in GWLS. For purposes of arraignment, we'll wait for him reading stand mute to the charge. He does wish to enter into a plea that we've worked out with the people where he plead to a no ops on person.
Do you understand that by pleading no operator's license on person, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice to rights form?
But are you done with your part? Okay.
And is it true you didn't have a valid driver's license in your possession, Mr. Harvey, on June the 27th of last year? Correct?
Mr. Harvey?
Correct, Mr. Harvey?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I was still muted. Yeah, correct.
Okay. It is a $200 ticket. State adds $145. There's late fees and your license is suspended on this. Total doing on the court is $490. After the bond, it's $355. You have a payment plan that's due to start on December 22nd. We'll roll this into the payment plan. Don't forget you have a pretrial with Judge Martin on December 22nd also. And it looks like you have a pretrial this Thursday, tomorrow in front of Judge Martin. Are you familiar with all that?
Correct. Yep. And I think the one tomorrow is the one I want to dispute.
Okay. Add to payment plan. I'm adding this to your payment plan, so they should add that to it, the one that starts on the 22nd, and then make sure you're there tomorrow and on the 22nd. You can take care of all your stuff, okay?
Okay. Like your glasses, Judge.
Oh, thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
Anything else, Mr. Kaplan? Are you Mr. Miracle?
Yes, on Mr. Miracle, Your Honor.
People versus Craig Miracle.
Joshua Kaplan on behalf of Mr. Miracle. Mr. Miracle, will you state your name for the record?
Craig Miracle.
Your Honor, we have reached a resolution with the people where he pleads to one count of.
Did you have Deputy Middlestat on there too? Because he's shaking his head no. Deputy Middlestat has been here all morning. Got to get it cleared by him, Mr. Kowinski.
Thank
you,
you, Your
go into
Honor.
a breakout? Why don't you take Mr. Kaplan, Mr. Kowinski? Why don't you take Deputy Middlestat into a breakout room and have a conversation with them?
I'll bring them in the breakout room.
And Mr. DeLasso, Kristen DeLasso, you're all set. You have the new date. Okay. You're muted.
Hello?
No, Mr. Miracle, you're going to have to wait. They're jumping in a breakout room to talk about your case. So you're gonna wait
Okay.
a minute. Andela Sasso, can you hear me? You're muted. Yeah, you
There we
got
go.
it.
I got it. I can't figure out how to disconnect. So can
I'll
you do it?
disconnect you. You're all good. You're all
Thank you,
good.
Judge.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You as well.
We are ready on Mr. Miracle. He's good with that, Pete, and Deputy Middleton.
Okay.
What are we doing, Mr. Kaplan?
Your Honor, Joshua Kaplan on behalf of Craig Miracle, we are going to be, the plea has been changed. What it's going to be is pleading to 1 count of impeding traffic and 1 count of, and 1 charge of allow an unlicensed driver to drive, a dismissal of the original charges, drive without cycle endorsement, and speeding 1 to 5.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty and responsible, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
Yes.
And is it true that on or about November the 10th of this year, you were in the city of Romulus and you allowed an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle that you were in?
Yes.
And then you're pleading responsible to the impeding, which is still the $130 ticket. The allowing an unlicensed driver to drive is a $200 ticket. The state adds $145. The impeding is $130, so the total is $475. Can you pay that or go online and make a payment plan within the week?
Yes.
All right, you're all set. Thank you very much. Thank you, Deputy.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Deputy. Your Honor, I'm going to go take another shot at Mr. Fletcher to see if his audio is working.
Okay, you're all set, Mr. Miracle.
I'm all
Make
set.
sure. Yep, you can either come to the court or you can go online and make a payment. Do that within the week or pay it.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mother.
And we are ready on Mr. Fletcher. So hopefully his audio is going to be working.
All right, People versus Jeffrey Fletcher.
Joshua Kaplan on behalf of Mr. Fletcher. Your Honor, we have reached a resolution where my client would plead to 1 count of impeding traffic, dismissal of the marine safety sitting or improper plate violation as part of that plea.
All right, I'll just apply the $150 bond and close it out.
Thank
You're
you.
all set, Mr. Fletcher. And that's that's a wrap.
Okay.